Okay, looks like we're upgrading our health. And looks like I wanna upgrade that power. Yeah, I'm gonna upgrade my power. And the range. Range could be cool. Charge. I really need to upgrade that. Looks like I'm gonna upgrade this if I want. Yeah. Okay. Looks like I'm gonna upgrade my range too. Alright. The, the basic cat. That's all it says? The basic cat? Wow. Oh, we're going to Japan. But what's in Japan? What kind of... Looks like we're just gonna meet the same enemies in Japan. Hold up. Wait. Oh, yeah. That's what Japan looks like. But I forgot something. I want to act Rose and Ninja. This is a really good cat, man. Looks like we're gonna add Gross and Ninja. Alright. Gross cat. Okay. And next one is Ninja. It might be good. Okay. So it looks like we're going to do this. Let's defeat Japan. Alright. 16. What's there? Alright. You can switch on. Oh yeah? Switch that? That's cool. Dude, that's cool. Yeah, we can switch that. Switch loading boxes or something. Yep, but that's what it looks like in Japan. I'm freaking ninja out. No ninjas in Japan. Yeah. Ninjas in Japan. Welcome to Japan. But I'm sending out a ninja. And it looks like this is just gonna be the same things. Probably. We don't know what's in that base. We don't know what's in there. Who are we gonna face? But there's a snake coming at us. Why? I don't know. Let's just take care of the snake. Hold up. One ninja. No. Okay, that's it. Banging on my base. What you gonna get? A ninja. Okay, I like that. It's swinging its sword. Like, it's swinging around it. But, do you like invisible hands? But that ninja's doing really good work. He's just slicing them. Slice them. He's slicing fruit. Which means like those enemies are fruit. Yep. Looks like he's slicing them. Slice them all. Slice, stuff, slice, stuff, slice, stuff. Alright, looks like. Wait, he did? Oh, for a second I thought he was dead. For a second. I'm like, seriously. Okay, he's getting pushed back, and I do not like that. I'm sure he can't handle it, right? He's doing more work than the next cat. Wow. Okay, looks like there's slicing one up. Alright. We're slicing them. We're We're okay. He's dead. Wow. Nope. No. Cannot have this. No, we're not gonna have Look at the snake. Look at the snake. What you gonna do? But we're gonna send out Flower Cat. Front. Alright. Just slams it down. He's clapping because it's dancing. Alright. Looks like he's killing both of them. Probably because Ninja Cat took some work. Yep. And looks like we're probably gonna win here. No matter. Looks like we're gonna win. Yeah, dance. Dance off. Alright, stop singing. But we're going to see. We're going to do knock knock ding dong ditch. Y'all know what that is. But we're kind of gonna destroy the face easily. I don't even know what's gonna happen. So let's just do this. Looks like we're doing good here. Yeah, this is good. Yay, they're getting out of here. That's good. Alright. So looks like we're going to up their base and ding dong ditch. We're going to attack it. Attack it easily, man. Those cats can handle that, alright? Yeah, they can handle that. Dude, we're gonna do this. What is that? What is that? What is that thing? It's a hippo. What is the hippo doing in Japan? Leave it in the comments if this hippo should not be in here. Because it should not. Like, are you serious right now? No. Hippo Japan? That's just not cool, man. Why would there be a hippo in Japan? No, looks like they're all dying. This is not good. Nope. Hold on. A hippo in Japan. Nobody ever sees a hippo in Japan. Why would they be a hippo in Japan? Alright. Looks like no. Yeah. While the flower cat's still alive. No. Why? No, but we're gonna defeat this hippo. Why is there a hippo in Japan, man? Why? But we're gonna continue. Sorry about that. But he's dead. Why? No, we gotta wait until the hippo gets over here. You see that? The hippo. That does not look like a goose cat. That's long legs. Damn, doing a video, bro. Sorry, it's just my sister. But we're gonna do this. Taylor, go. Taylor, come here. Say something. Stop that! Alright, looks like we're defeated this hippo. Alright, look. Alright. There we go. There's no distraction. I'm making a video. Sorry about that. We can just cut the chit chat. And we can just do this. Looks like I'm going to go somewhere to shoot. Oh, come on, mate. Yeah! Yeah! Looks like we did it! Yay! Sorry if I wasn't paying attention. But we did it! We did it! We did it! Taylor, I'm trying to make a video here. No, not one video. We still did it. Stop it, Taylor. We still did it. We still did. Sorry about interruption. She's always interrupting. But I'm gonna win. Taylor, stop. Stop it. Looks like she's always interrupting. She's always interrupting people. Looks like we're gonna do this. She's not always interrupting. But we're still gonna do this though. We're gonna win. Dance for victory! Yeah! Dance for victory! We're gonna dance for victory! Okay. Yeah, we did it! Ooh, that's good. Okay. Let's see what else is there. Okay. Alright. Club. Get medals? I want a medal. What? What's that? Whoa. Sorry about that. But stop it, Taylor. It's like we get 20 cat food. Why we need cat food? No. She's interrupting. Mommy. Sorry about that. You're interrupting me. No. We get 5 cat food for unlocking a cat. Okay. We got more 5 cat food. And we got more cat food. And we got more cat food. That's cool. Alright. Ooh, I was a ninja. Okay, jeez. Okay. Let's see that. Is that a timer? Black. Wait, so these times black? What does that even mean? Alright. Alright, looks like we're here. Meow meow medals. Didn't you just say meow meow medals? Wow. But oh, we did it! Let's see what's here. Got no one else. Looks like